I am so excited to be here today on International Women's Day. This is an important opportunity for us to celebrate the accomplishments of the many women that contribute to the benefits and to the improvements of our software and our company. What does International Women's Day mean to me? It means that we get to acknowledge and celebrate everything that women do to contribute to the future of our world.
International Women's Day is a day to recognize the contributions of generations of women who came before us.
International Women's Day to me means it's a chance that we can sit back and reflect on all the challenges that women have faced over time and kind of celebrate our accomplishments together in moving forward.
It celebrates the fact that everybody has the same rights and the same possibilities in their personal and professional life, no matter what gender they are.
Well, I'm inspired, I think, locally by the other really strong women I work with. We do work in a male-dominated company and industry, but there's a lot of women that I work with now, and it's really inspiring to see them make their way through.
People who do things for other people without expecting anything in return, they're my inspiration. I have people in my life that do that, and it's just wonderful. And they don't realize what a great impact they have on other people.
I would have to say that the people who have most greatly inspired me would have been my parents. Like my dad, who always had this peaceful and happy-go-lucky expressions on his face, no matter how hard he worked. And he was always grateful.
I moved to the United States about 20 years ago. So for me, the biggest accomplishment for myself was the fact that I adapted to a new culture, learned a new language, and I was able to succeed professionally. And here I am right now working in a manufacturing industry, in the software industry. That's for me, that's the biggest accomplishment.
My hope for women in the future of manufacturing is that go out of the norm and do a job that maybe is male dominated, but gender doesn't mean anything when it comes to your skills and your ability to work.
Seeing a woman as a lead tester or a lead engineer or a man who's home with the children is not something unique.
Women have challenges every single day, whether that's personally, professionally, as moms, as wives, as employees, as bosses. Choose your challenge. Decide what it is that you want to excel in, and take today to celebrate those challenges. Take today to celebrate the effort and the contributions that you make. Talk to other women, empower them, and congratulate yourself. Let's celebrate Women's Day together.
I am a software engineer at Mastercam.
I'm an applications engineer.
I am a localization product owner.
I'm the product owner of technical communications at Mastercam.
I'm a senior software test engineer.
I'm a linguist at Mastercam.
I am the queen of technical support.
I am a senior quality control specialist.
I'm a business systems developer.
I am Megan West, President and CEO of CNC Software, makers of Mastercam.